Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the tools. Make sure CarPlay is functioning and that you can connect your iPhone. Install Alt Store on the phone via Alt Server on a computer so you can sideload apps. Once done, download the CarBridge IPA or a similar CarPlay enabler. This is the only practical way to run YouTube. Make sure your phone is charged and on the same Wi-Fi as Alt Server to avoid interrupted installs. Now you're ready to sign and install the Helper app. With Alt Store installed, sign and sideload the CarBridge IPA to your iPhone, accept and trust the profile in settings before unplugging. Next, connect the phone to your car and open CarPlay. Launch CarBridge from the CarPlay launcher. Inside CarBridge, add YouTube to the allowed apps list and enable video output. This tells CarPlay to show YouTube in the CarPlay interface. Take it slow the first time, so you can confirm permissions, and now open YouTube from CarPlay and choose a video. Use the car's screen or knobs for play, pause, and seek. If video appears but audio is silent, make sure iPhone volume is up, CarPlay audio is selected on the head unit, and Bluetooth isn't overriding. If the enabler crashes or disappears after a while, re-sign the IPA in Alt Store and reinstall, or restart both the iPhone and the head unit. One key tip: keep Alt Server running when re-signing to avoid expired profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.